Hi guys, I'm John Lawrence Amacio and I'm from Cavite State University. Today I'm gonna show you how to determine if a number is odd or even using if-else statement in Java. First, we need to open our JCreator and open a new file. After creating a file, make sure that it has our main method, which is static void link. After declaring our main method, we need to declare our integer integer x. After declaring integer x, we need to put system.out.print and put enter your number. So after declaring a display, we need to put scanner. Scanner helps to allow our users to input and store that input to the identifier. After that, we will proceed to our condition. If x modulus 2 is equal to 0. So, if your expression, which is x modulus 2 is equals to 0, then it will process the statement on your system.out.print, which is your number is even. Therefore, if it is false, the statement inside the body of else is executed. Your number is odd. And the statement inside the body of if will be skipped. Our our scanner is not yet. I forgot that our scanner is not yet functionable. We should put at the upper part of public bus, um, import java dot util dot scanner to make our scanner functionable. Make sure that there's no error on your code after running. Save and check. After completing the code, just enter any number like 7. Your number is odd. That's all. Thank you.
Hi guys, I'm Hazel.
And I'm Millicent, and we will going to show you how to print a pattern in Java. We will write a program to display this pattern. As you can see, the total numbers of rows equals to 5. I use I as a variable, so I is equals to 5. And the total number of columns is also 5, so I use J as a variable, and J is equals to 5.
Don't forget to remember an important point. If you are going to make any pattern programs, you need looping concept. Why?
Because a loop is a sequence of instructions that is continually repeated until a certain condition is reached. In these programs, we need two for loops. One for loop is for the number of rows, and one for loop is for the number of columns. So first, we need to open the J creator so we can create the pattern that we need to do. And then close. Click the file, new file, and then select Java class. Next, then type the file name that you want. For us, we will name it pattern. And then finish. You can erase this because you don't need this, and this also. And then first, public is our access modifier. Class pattern is our class name. And then type public static void open and close parentheses string r. After your argument, you need to type open and close curly bracket. Inside your curly bracket, type your for loop. For int I equals 1 and I is less than or equal 5 and I plus plus. And open and close curly brackets again and type inside of your curly bracket, type the second for loop. For int j equals 1, j is less than or equal 5, and j plus plus. Then system that out that in like curly brackets again, and then type your display system capital S system that out that thing. What you need to print is asterisk or star double quote. Inside the double quote, type your asterisk. Here, you need to type system that out of this again for your new line. System that out that string open and close parentheses. And don't forget your terminator. I forgot that. LN is for your new line.
Okay,
And then explain.
I'll explain. So this code over here, it will then first execute the outer loop, which is for int I is equal to 1, I is less than or equal to 5, I plus plus. The parameter tells that we initialize I is equal to 1. Since I is equal to 1 and the condition is I less than or equal to 5, which can be translated to 1 less than or equal to 5, this makes the condition true. Therefore, the statement inside the loop will be executed. Inside the loop, there is another loop, which is for int j is equal to 1, j is less than or equal to 5, and j plus plus. This loop is almost the same parameter as the other loop, and by looking at it, the statement is true, so therefore, it will execute the statement inside of that loop, which is system.out.print, and inside the double quote is the star sign. After executing that line, it will first iterate the identifier, which is now 2. And as the iteration j plus plus means j is equal to j plus 1, the loop will continue and will print the asterisk or star sign until the condition turns false, which is when the j is equal to 6. After the inner loop turns false, it will then execute the line system.out.print new line, which enters the printed output, then only now iterate the identifier becomes 2 is less than or equal to 5, and it's still true. It will again repeat the same process for the inner loop where j is equal to 1 again.
Then the nested for loop will end if the outer loop condition turns false. After that, you can now build your file to check if there's an error.
Oops, there's an error.
So double click this to check where's your error. System.out.print
System.out string.
String.
Oh,
There's an excess
there's an
letter.
excess letter. You forgot the
We forgot our
new line.
new line. And then build again. Process complete.
There are no items to show. Why is that?
If if there's no error, you can now run your project.
So,
So here's the output.
there you have it, guys.
Thank you.